Hang with me for a second. I want to take you into a lottery drawing. Now tell me, is this a Powerball or is this our forecast? These are actually the forecast highs over the next 6 days. Of course, why not? So, all right, I'm going to hand this over to you if you want to do that. I'm going to go over here. Let's see how well I can do this.
I'm going to do my best Bill Murray impression, too, I think, yeah.
All right.
It's a Cinderella story.
I make no promises here. Now, I was told eye on the ball. You ready for this? $1 million shot. You ready?
Usually want to go a little further in your backswing.
It's in the hole. You get today, you get Friday if you're sticking around for kind of a staycation at all. And I'm going to pack my things up and get myself back inside and do some real work later on this hour.
Well, I'm glad that you're enjoying the nice weather because you really do deserve it. You work hard.
You should be out here. You should. Oh wait, you had last week.
I did. Yes.
You had last. Now it's my turn for some fun.
This is true. I'm digging the shades too.
Thank you.
All right, we'll see you later.
We won the weather lottery. You may not have won a Powerball, but you won the weather lottery. You'll find phrases like weather lottery and whatnot in my book of cheesy weather phrases.
What? That explains so much.
Oh, I've got so many of these. Do you have time? We could read a few. Next week, right now on the satellite and radar picture, on this St. Patrick's Day, a little bit of green showing up here. That's not just for the holiday festivities, it's actual rain out there. Watch out for. Matter of fact, this is the Doppler part of the radar. This is what we look for here just to kind of show you rotation. And let me just give you an idea. See these greens and these reds? It's right in this area here. That's where we have the broad rotation going on right now. So any kind of tornado threat would be there. Again, at last report with the spotters who are out there, there is nothing on the ground right now. It's simply indicated by radar with this area of rotation that we have. And so again, that's tracking its way off to the north and to the northeast. As you say that, the Weather Service now has issued a tornado warning on that storm. So now there's a new warning in place. This is going to be for
Holt County.
This is going to go until 5:15 this evening for this storm, which is just to the north of Mound City. So as you can see, a great shot there from Sky Tracker showing how that cloud is lowering just a bit.
And it's rotating too.
And it is rotating out there. A foot of snow. So imagine trying to walk through about a foot of snow. You take it up a little bit of a notch here. Here's 18 inches of snowfall, and there's the official 18-inch measurement there. So imagine, I mean, that's up to just below my knee. So imagine trying to walk in that. But now, some areas like Harrisonburg, Allison, you know Harrisonburg very, very well.
I know my old stomping grounds.
Come over here.
Oh, my word.
Look how tall this is. This is 33, that's 33 inches of snowfall. That's half as tall almost as Allison, up to your hips. You would not be able to trudge through that snow. We've seen a lot of these cigarette butts near the side of the roadway. It's one of the things with the dry conditions, the dry vegetation, and the wind, which we're going to see again tomorrow. It's critical you don't take these and just toss them out your window. Not a good idea, so we don't get a scene like this again tomorrow. For 41 Action News, I'm meteorologist J.D. Rudd. Direction. When the air's warm like this, too, you can get a lot more home runs. We saw that a couple of nights ago.
I've heard you say
this.
Yes,
the warmer
You're
air
not
is
making this
thinner.
up.
No, the warmer air is thinner. There's less air. It's less dense, so the ball can travel farther through it versus cold air, which is more compact. It's heavier, more resistance.
It'll be fun to watch.
So it should be a good game tonight. Nice this weekend, nice today. So maybe if you're going to do some grilling, we have some words of caution for you. Let me show you here. Fire danger is high with the warm temperatures that we have. Take a look at the graphic. You can see how warm that we have it today. The dew point is low. The relative humidity is low. So fire danger is in the extreme category. What this means is, and listen to me carefully here, watch your ash this evening. The ash from these grills. If you have a cigarette, anything else like that, be very careful. It won't take much to get these things to really spark up. Now, well, you're going to go enjoy this nice weather. That's what you're going to do. Because make the most of it, because for some, I already know there's a producer back in our booth who's not happy that it's not going to be 90 degrees in about 5 days.
Oh, really?
It's not going to be that warm. This
is new.
This nice weather is not going to last for a while. And after all, yes, it's August, but after August is September, and then October, and then November. It's going to snow at some point. Here's your early heads up. She's booing in my ear right now. Right now with this big conglomeration of showers and thunderstorms working its way in, a lot of thunder and lightning being heard here at our studios on the plaza. This is going to get the attention of many out there as this storm system rolls its way in. We have several different severe thunderstorm warnings in place right now, including Johnson County, Kansas, Leavenworth, Platte, Wyandotte counties until 9:30. Also for Douglas, Franklin, Osage, and Shawnee until 9:45. The main concern with these thunderstorms, some very strong wind. With the temperature we had today, we could see some wind gusts over 65 to 75 miles an hour. You're wondering, what is this lake effect snow? How do we get this? Let me explain a little bit, getting a little geeky on you here, of how we do this. So let's go down to about the Buffalo area. We take a look here. We're going to give ourselves a different perspective on this and put things at a flat surface. So you have these Great Lakes, these warm bodies of water. Right now, with how big those bodies of water are, that temperature relative to the ground is still very warm. What does warm air like to do? Warm air likes to rise up into the sky. When we do that, we get those super cool clouds going on. All that moisture is up there. Then aloft in the atmosphere, we still have some very strong steering winds up there, which push all those clouds and that moisture off to the east. You get the heavy snow coming down, and this whole recycling continues, this conveyor belt of snow over and over, lifting that moisture up, pushing it out, up and out, and you get these bands of snow, Gary, taller than your head.